Malapit na maluto.
Okay. Uy, madre.
Yeah. Diba pwede maghawak?
Eh, ang sarap naman. Iniwan na tayo.
Yung dadalimitan.
Car.
Yes, sir.
Oh, ayun na, turtle is out again. Go look at the turtle again.
Pila-pila muna, pila-pila. Kaya maraming kain. Ang laki ng pagpapalagaw.
Wait. Can I do this?
Where are you going?
Okay. Oh.
It's a dragon, Lexi. They said it's a dragon. Oh, look, there's a puppy dog. It's called a dragon, not a lizard.